In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up service calendars, rooms, and equipment in GoHighLevel. Whether you're just getting started with GoHighLevel or looking to streamline your booking and resource management, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To start, you'll want to navigate to the GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your main control center where all the magic happens. Once you're on the dashboard, go ahead and click on the Calendars section. It's located in the menu on the left-hand side, making it quick to access. After opening up the Calendars section, you'll need to access Calendar Settings. Look towards the top right, where you'll see a button labeled Calendar Settings. Clicking this will allow you to manage all the details of your calendar. Once you're in the settings, create a new calendar by clicking on the New Calendar button. A sleek new interface will pop up, prompting you to explore more types. It's a good idea to explore these options, as they can provide a range of functionalities suited to different business needs. Click on Explore More Types to reveal these options. Next, you will see an option for seamless scheduling for service-based businesses. This is perfect for automating appointments and managing bookings efficiently. Select this option by clicking Seamless Scheduling for Service-Based Businesses. Now you'll need to type into the provided field whatever detail you want to highlight. This is useful for giving clarity on what services or availability you are providing. After typing in the necessary details, look for the Highlight option and click on it to proceed. You'll be redirected to select or create the relevant business details under Test Gmail. And once again, click on Highlight. Confirm your settings by clicking on Confirm. This ensures all changes are saved and ready to be used in your calendar. Now let's move on to setting up rooms needed for your services. Head back to the Settings section at the top of your panel. Once you're there, select Calendars again, but this time you'll want to focus on the Rooms option. Click Rooms to begin adding the physical locations or resources. Here you'll create a new room by using the Add New Room button. Type in the specifics for this room. It could be the name or a particular feature that makes it stand out. Ensure everything is accurate, then select Create to add this room to your available resources. Finally, let's set up your equipment. Click on Equipment from the list. Here you'll select Add New Equipment to add the necessary tools or devices required for your services. Again, type in the important details, click on Highlight if customization or emphasis is needed, and finalize by selecting Create. With everything set up, you can now close these windows and start using your newly organized system. This structured approach helps streamline workflows and ensures that scheduling and resource management are as efficient as possible. Enjoy the ease of managing your services with GoHighLevel.